I'm walking the neighborhood and I hear birds singing and I know it's a finch. How do I know it's a finch? The Cornell lab of ornithology has produced a global bird guide which records sounds as you walk, everything. When a song is heard, the image of that bird comes up along with the picture, highlighted with the timeline of the audio track playing above. And then you can go more deeply into a bird that's right outside and nearby and goes out over the web, get as much information as you want. At this very busy bird intersection, I have 4 different species, the Mockingbird, Junco, and Finch, but added to that, a robin. So we've got them all just in 2 blocks of walking.